Hello, welcome to Age Innovation. My name is Preston and thank you for clicking on that play button. This is my first video of the channel, so I figured I'd take a few minutes just to kind of quickly explain what I'm going to be doing in this channel and moving forward. To go back, let's talk about what I like in my life. So that's what this channel is kind of based on. It's based on my hobbies. I'm a techie guy. I really like technology. I love innovation. I love how things are moving forward in life to make our lives as humans easier. And I also love artwork as well. I've always been kind of a person who's dabbled in art on a personal side, nothing professional. With technology that's coming out, such as 3D printing, laser engraving, heck, even photography studios you can have built up in your own home now. I've kind of enjoyed how those two have kind of met and kind of combined. So that's kind of where my hobbies have geared to. Like, I love creating things. And again, kind of on the techie nerdy side, as you can tell behind me. I like to play around with stuff like that, you know, and build fun, quirky things that, you know, that you just probably would spend thousands of dollars on maybe buying at a store where you can kind of just build them at your home. We're going to talk about products that are out there. We're going to talk about projects that I do here, things that I'm doing, because I'm going to do some large scale projects here at my home. I'm going to talk about reviews on equipment, you know, maintaining equipment such as, you know, 3D printers, engravers, cameras, whatever. Kind of my hobby and kind of what I do. So I figured I'd just put it out there in the digital world and say maybe it might help somebody, maybe not. Maybe we'll get some laughs, you know, look at this guy, I don't know what he's doing. And again, I want to make sure that that is upfront, you know, said. I am no expert in any of this. In fact, that's one of the things I'm looking forward to maybe possibly gaining, is a community that's out there that kind of teaches me, and maybe I can help somebody along as well. So we'll see, but primarily it's for my education purposes. So I'm kind of going to be like using this group to actually help me looking at rethinking on like designs and building things. You know, we'll see. And plus we'll do the YouTube thing along the way. If you made it this far, thanks for listening to me babble. Consider subscribing. Look forward to new content. Try to get out a video a week. We'll see how that goes. And for that, thanks for watching. Peace.